a quick walkthrough on how you can make a ray tracing effect using just basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I have the basic HTML set up already, which is just these 4 rectangles, and I have the hue encoded as a data attribute so that we can use that for the color later on. And now we're going to get the references to rects, app, and array. And now we're going to set the mouse tracking coordinates. And now we're going to set the gradient to app using the mouse position as center. And now let's see how that works. And now let's initialize the update function, so we're going to invoke that on mouse move for each rect. And now we're going to get the screen coordinates, so bounding client rect, for each rect and hue. And now to make the subfunction gradient, we're going to want to use the hue to define the inner brighter and outer darker color, and then do some quick math to get the vector between mouse and rect, so diff x and diff y. And we're going to use that to set the gradient position. And now for the shadow. So first we have to get the center coordinate of rect, and then mouse and center and vector len. And now we're just going to quickly compute the offset and the blur of the shadow, so we want that inverse offset and scale small. And now we're just going to define the shadow and glow colors. So we're going to want the shadow dark with low opacity and the glow bright with even lower opacity. And then define the shadows for 2 colors. So B shadow 1 is the shadow that follows the light, and B shadow 2 is the glow shadow, and that we want to always be the same. And then we're just going to apply this box shadow to rect. And now you can see the really lovely smooth 3D effect with the light that follows the mouse, and it has a really nice realistic light and color interaction.